Your calculate taxes method should return the value of the tax rate, and it's divided by 100 to convert it to a percent, multiplied by the amount parameter. So we have to return and just copy the example from the instruction, which is this one, the tax rate 100. And it also says to wrap the calculation in parentheses. Okay. And it also says that it is multiplied by the parameter, which is the amount. Multiplied by the amount parameter. But this would be wrong because it says you should divide tax rate by 100 in your calculate taxes method, and remember to use the this keyword. Why? Now that is because if we go up, we have here our class shopping cart, that we have a constructor with a tax rate property and with the use of the keyword this. That is to use and to refer the already defined property tax rate into our method, so that if we refer the property, we use this keyword. And that is also because we are inside of the class shopping cart. And I hope you get that right. Nice.